pooñ, 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 pooñ. Pooñ in Maban or African means cobra, cobra, cobra. So when cobra is fighting with other animals or someone, he or she opens her or his head during the fight or during the fighting, because cobra is serious, is dangerous, because the situation is real. It's a dangerous situation. It's chaotic. And that's why cobra is getting serious. And he or she opens his or her head during the war or during the fight. So in Maban, pooñ mean to expand, to opens his or her head when it's serious, when things are getting serious in a real situation. So in Maban letters or things that we say, it's about character, about animals or things character. And that's because of African or Black language based on observation and experiment. So cobra is pooñ, pooñ.